Hello everybody, my name is Jason Tatman. I'm an overseas marketing and sales manager here at HPY Technology, and I'm here to talk to you today about our service process. Our name is HPY Sorting Technology. The reason why we use the acronym HPY is that it stands for 好朋友, which is the Chinese word for good friend. To us, great service isn't only an expectation, it's how we make business more personal and we connect better with our customers. Our service process is broken into three main steps: pre-sale, purchase or installation process, and then the post-sale. The pre-sale has been modified due to COVID restrictions because currently travel isn't too convenient to some countries, so we've modified our service process to adapt to the times while still providing great service for our customers. During our pre-sale stage, we offer a complimentary video meeting. This way we get to learn more about your company, your mine, and your ores, while also being able to explain more about our company, our products, and technology. After the initial meeting, we'll send your company an information request form. This allows your company to fill in details about your ores, as well as what expectations you have from us when it comes to the results of our machinery. After that, we present the forms to our mining experts. They're able to analyze the numbers and provide a customized solution based on the information that you provided to either improve, alter, or add our machines into your current beneficiation process to make it better both economically and environmentally. After this step comes the fun part. You are able to send our ores to us, where we're able to conduct testing within our testing center in Guangzhou, and then we are able to give you accurate and precise numbers on what our machinery is able to do. In addition, we'll also send these ores to our chemical laboratory to further break down your ores to get a better understanding to ensure that the solution that we provided is the best one possible. Once this has been completed, you'll receive the results, and after that, we'll be able to talk more about which machines, how many machines are the best for your mine and your beneficiation process. After the pre-sale, we have the installation process or the purchasing. Once a purchase or partnership has been established, we're able to send our machinery to you via the most convenient method. Once it's been sent, to make sure that the proper training takes place, we do send over our experts who have done this many times to make sure that your employees at your mine understand how to operate the machinery, as well as any maintenance issues that may come up. Of course, during this entire process, you're able to communicate with us online. Whether it's through our cloud platform or through your contact person, you're able to constantly ask us questions and we'll always be there to answer them as soon as possible. After the installation process and purchasing, we want to ensure that our machines are always running at full capacity and that you are satisfied with our product. To do this, we first provide a 1-year warranty. This includes any large maintenance problems or anything that we need to fix on our end. Whether it's adjustments to the algorithm, large adjustments to the machine, we want to ensure that our machine is always running to the expectations that we send it out to you with. For our overseas customers, we also provide spare parts. This is to ensure that any wearable parts on the machine can always be replaced quickly and doesn't affect the overall operation. The training to replace these spare parts is done during the installation process and purchasing. Our expert mining engineers will be there to help you to ensure that your employees know how to change these parts, as well as how to make sure that they're running properly once replaced. In addition, we're always there and always available for you through our cloud platform. You can always reach out to us with any questions and we'll make sure to answer them as soon as possible. If there are any maintenance issues that require our team to be out there, our team will be out there at the first available flight and ready to help you where you need it.